Okay, let's finish posting. I know where I left off because my post reference here is blank, so I know that I just completed this one. So I'm going to go to supplies office next. It's a debit of $64. Be careful that you don't pick supply store. You want to pick supplies office. So that happened on the 12th, $64 debit. So I'm going to go here 12. Still coming from CP10. Debit of $64. So my new balance is going to be a debit. I'm going to add these two guys together. So 3184.17 plus 64. My new balance is 324817. 324817. And then I'm going to bring my account number of 1145 up to my journal. Okay, my next one, even though there's nothing in general, again, we'll just keep going with these guys in order. I do have something in my accounts payable. So I'm going to go to my accounts payable ledger for Westland. Let's scroll down here a little bit. It happened on the 16th and it is a debit. So 16, still coming from CP10. It's a debit of 426. So my new balance here, I still have a balance. So this is a credit. This 992 is a credit. This is a debit. I'm going to subtract those two. I'm going to come up with a balance. So 992 minus 426. So they just made a partial payment. So 566. And then I have my account number of 240 back up here. And I'm going to keep going down each of these. All right, so supplies office. Again, it's already open. This is for my petty cash replenishment on the 31st, 4815. Still coming from CP10. Okay, so debit, debit, new debit. So 3248.17 plus 48.15 equals 3296.32. 3296.32. 96.32. And I'm going to bring my account number 1145 back up to my. Okay, and you're going to keep on going. I'm not going to keep going because it's a waste of time, but you're going to keep on going. So don't forget to do these three. I'm going to go ahead and save it or grade it. I'm going to grade it. I am going to get a couple wrong just because I'm not going to completely post that, but you guys know you know how to post. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down. This is incorrect because I just didn't post it, but don't make sure you don't skip any steps. I'm going to go to the next step. Now in this step, step 3, it says post cash payments journal totals. So you're going to post just the totals, okay? Now, everything has to have something underneath the account, under the balance. We already posted all of these items, so that's going to get a check. You guys might remember that, hopefully. This, there's nothing to post, that also gets a check. Okay, these 3 items, these 2 items, I'm sorry, this 2066 represents the total. That total is going to get posted into accounts payable, and it's going to occur on the 31st. So 2066 as a debit. So I'm going to go to accounts payable, 31, still coming from CP10. And the balance is, or the transaction is 2066 debit. So 2066. That means I'm going to take my 10,783.53 and subtract out the 2066 because that's debit. Your balance is a credit. Equals 8,717.53. So that's 8,717.53. It stays as a credit because 10,000 is greater than 2,000. Okay. Now I'm going to take the account number of 2110 and I'm going to put that here. Okay. I'm going to do the same thing for the purchase discount credit. So I'm going to take the total of 3280. I'm going to go to my purchase discount. Current on 31, still coming from CP10. It's a credit of, forget the number. Credit of 3280. So my new balance is 621.48 plus 3280. They're both credits, so you add them together. 654.28. And then I put the account number of 5120 under here. And then the last thing I do is my cash. So I'm going to go to cash, 31, still coming from CP10. It is a credit. You're paying cash. So cash credit of 3950.22. And my new balance is, so I had 16,455.19. I spent 3950.22. So I have 12,504.97 left. 12,504.97 left. And then I'm going to put my account number of 1110 under here. Okay, and that is completing the posting of the totals. Let's grade that step. And I will be back.